How to use Zelle in Reasons banking app. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure to use Zelle in Reasons Bank. So what here you need to do is, to use Zelle in Reasons mobile bank, you first need to log into your Reasons mobile banking app. Once you're logged into your account, from the home page, you go to Pay in Transfer menu and select Send Money with Zelle section. Choose an eligible account, confirm your US mobile number and email address, and enter the one-time passcode as well. Moving on, you have to accept the terms and conditions to finish the enrollment or enrolling as well. Now then, in the Pay and Transfer menu, you want to tap Send Money with Zelle, selecting existing contact or add a new one using their US mobile number or email. Then you have to enter the amount you want to send and choose your funding account as well. And you just want to go ahead and review, then send. And funds are typically available in minutes to enroll recipients, and that's how you'll be able to use Zelle in Reasons banking app. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.